This conflict began 1,000 years ago, when William the Duke of Normandy conquered England. England at that time was united with the Duchy of Normandy in France, and that included the islands between them. We're going to focus on the island of Jersey. The French king kicked the Normans out of mainland Normandy in 1204, but Jersey remained a possession of the English crown. So you've got this little English outpost very close to the French mainland. Over the following centuries there were treaties and wars, but ultimately Jersey remained a possession of the British crown, not part of the United Kingdom, but a separate, self-governing entity. Off the coast of Jersey are two little island groups named Minquiers and Ecrehos. After Jersey was liberated from the Nazis in 1945, both Great Britain, as the protector of Jersey, and France claimed that they owned Minquiers and Ecrehos. They went to the brand new International Court of Justice to resolve the dispute. Each of the parties commenced by making historical arguments about how they had come to possession of the islands back in the 11th to the 13th centuries. The court, however, found this to be of little assistance, saying, "What is of decisive importance, in the opinion of the court, is not indirect presumptions deduced from events in the Middle Ages, but the evidence which relates directly to the possession of the Ecrehos and Minquiers groups." In terms of this evidence, the court looked at everything from exercising criminal jurisdiction to holding inquests to granting titles of land possession. They found that effectively the island of Jersey, and therefore the Crown of Great Britain, had been administering the island groups for a long time. The court said, Jersey authorities have in several ways exercised ordinary local administration in respect of the island groups during a long period of time. British authorities during the greater part of the 19th century and in the 20th century have exercised state functions in respect of the group. The French government, on the other hand, has not produced evidence showing that it has any valid title to the island groups. Jersey, under the British Crown, therefore lawfully possessed the island groups. From this case we learn that where sovereignty over land is disputed, the court will look to the contemporary administration of the land, and not just to tales of things that happened long ago.